Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. Today we're gonna make croquembouche, and I'm gonna try not to have a panic attack. It's probably more likely that I'll just have like a full meltdown and just like, lay on the floor. I think it'll be okay. I don't know. I want to be optimistic, but I am not. I'm not, I'm not. I'm going to start off by making the cracklin, which are these like little dough diskies that go on top of your cream puffs before you bake them, and they like do a fun crackle thing on top. Is it necessary? I don't know, but I'm going to make it because it's on the recipe, so... Dude, I don't think I've ever been more proud and just excited. I seriously thought I was going to have a meltdown. I thought this was going to be awful, just really, really bad. It did take a good portion of the day. There were quite a few steps, but... what? And it's all glued together. So where's it going? Nowhere. So excited. I thought that I goofed because I didn't have enough pastry cream for all of the cream puffs. So there's a few back there, and I was like, I ruined it. Girl, no. So super exciting. That's just so exciting. I'm gonna eat the top. Oops, top one's glued. Oh God. Okay, so eating it a little bit more difficult. It's like a barbarian, just. Ooh. That's really good. So good. Okay. My one's done. What are we doing next week? Ooh, all right. Second to last one. We're gonna do Ecuador, and I'm gonna make Espumillas. I remember it's like, I threw it in there because it was a little weird, but whatever. It is like an egg white, like a meringue ice cream. Why not? So yeah, figured that'd be fun to try. But this week was a success. Like, I am completely jazzed. Shit, yeah, dude. So yeah, don't be afraid to try something new. Even if you're like completely convinced that you're gonna screw it up, you might surprise yourself. I want to go to pastry school now. My application. I made this. Anyways. Hope you guys are doing well. Staying hydrated, staying cool. And yeah, I'll see you next Tuesday.